Yes, this morning I refused to pay £17 for just a banana. This is a true story. So I'm at a hotel in London. Actually, I'm having a great time because it's the hotel I did all my NLP training in, the Novotel near the Tower. And this morning I went down for breakfast, which I'd paid £17 for. And all I wanted was a banana. Now, this is a weird situation for me. I've spent my whole life eating a cooked breakfast, but I've been doing a lot of inner child work, a lot of work on my relationship with food, and this morning I just wanted a banana. So Vivian, what did you do? Yeah, I thought, you can't just have a banana. You've paid £17. Now, I have done so much money mindset work. In fact, I do it with people. In fact, I'm doing it at the end of this month in my networking for free, but I just couldn't do it. So I went and piled my plate high with sausages, bacon, eggs, mushrooms, tomatoes, toast, and then spent 20 minutes literally force feeding myself. I think that's given me some major clues as to why I'm overweight. So what is your money mindset, or actually your mindset, doing to keep you trapped in old behaviours and ways of being? I wonder, and do you need to sort it out? Is it time? It's definitely time for me. I could have had the banana. I'm still thinking about the banana. I didn't even have the banana. Now all I'm craving is a banana. So if you get this and you understand, just put a banana emoji under here. And if you need some help with this, like I probably do, then you see, because I can't coach myself on some of this stuff. So if you need some help with stuff, then let me know.